Welcome back, everybody. It's Michael Levitas of Alpha Insider, a podcast where we bring you business leaders, we bring you experts in different fields. And today we're back with Lenny Komsky of Grand Prix Motors. Lenny, it's always a pleasure to have you because you educate us not just about your business, but you educate us on different rules and procedures, what's out there, not just for car leasing, but also in the body shop arena. You do guys also have a body shop. We talked in our previous sessions what to do if you get into a car accident, what's covered, what's not covered by insurance company. Today, in this session, let's go back to car leasing, your core business. This is what you're known for many, many years. I remember when you started back in the day. And as you said, slowly but surely, step by step, you were growing your business. And now you're a giant of car leasing, the go-to person in New York and other states. This month, we're still in January. What are some amazing deals that you guys have that you can offer to your clients?
Hey, Michael, thank you for having me again. Well, January has just started for us. It was a long December program because with the holidays and everything, December just ended January 7th. So we're in our first week of January specials. Prices have changed a little bit from December. Dealers were a little bit more aggressive at the end of the year, but nonetheless, so the prices are okay. We could still, sell some cars. The inventory is there, especially in the luxury cars. Prices have come down. There's more units available. If we look at our basic cars, the Nissans are there. The Nissan Altima is good. It's about $349 a month for 18 months. Nissan has a lot of 18-month programs.
Really? That's
the
very
Pathfinder, the Nissan Pathfinder is there. It's about also $430 a month for 18 months. The Nissan Rogue 18-month program is about $450. We have the Mazdas that are at 24-month lease on the CX-9, which is at $449. The Mazda CX-5 is at $469 for 36 months. A lot of programs. Hyundais are pretty good. Hyundai Kona, it's a little compact SUV, is at $359 a month. A bunch of cars that are pretty solid that available, and we could have clients come in and get in right away. What has changed is the luxury market. The luxury market was really expensive. The inventory was really low. And now it has come down to where the rates have been up high, and those cars haven't been getting a lot of attention. So all the dealers have dropped their prices. So now I know people who are waiting on their Range Rovers that were selling for over MSRP by 20s, 30,000. Now they're back to 5, even MSRP. The Mercedes were at over MSRP. Now they're at MSRP, and some of them are under MSRP. The BMWs are there. A lot of cars are there. The luxury segment is a little bit pricey just because the interest rate is still high. But I heard today great news where Tesla just said they're going to drop 20% on their pricing. So Tesla is feeling the pressure. That means that they're considered to be not a luxury brand, but they're expensive, like a luxury brand. So if they're dropping prices, that means that everybody else is going to be dropping prices. So for the consumer, we see some light at the end of the tunnel where they're going to see some good pricing, hopefully in the near future.
Lenny, you finally gave us a lot of good news. What a difference a year makes. Because I remember we were having these discussions a year ago, and you were saying you have to wait for months for a car. You have to pay $20,000 over. When we were talking about good deals, you were only giving me 2-3 cars, possibly have good deals now. Finally, I'm glad the market came back to its senses. And I think we're on a good path where it's getting better and better. I even hear from people, and you can confirm it, that used cars also, the prices
the used car market has, I would say, crashed from the highs. It really did. It dipped pretty hard. And it made a lot of big companies like Carvana, CarMax, and other companies Vroom really hurt because they bought a lot of cars that are high numbers, and now they're just sitting on inventory and they're waiting to see what's going to happen.
It looks like 23 is a good year.
I hope 23 will be a great year for the consumer to buy their cars. Used cars are down, so they could consider those. New cars are going to come down the same way as used cars, and we'll be all happy and merry.
Lenny, this is a perfect happy ending to our session on a good positive note. I hope people paid attention to what cars are available, the deals. If not, we're going to have it in an article in this post as well below this video. We're going to list the cars and the numbers per month, so you know what you could expect from Grand Prix Motors. Lenny, thank you so much, and we'll see you in February with more news, hopefully good news on car deals, and we're going to keep on educating the people on car market. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Lenny.
Thank you, Michael. Good to see you as always. Thank you.